Hello students, here is the question. Reaction of Grignard reagent C2H5MgBr and C8H8O followed by hydrolysis gives compound A, which reacts instantly with Lucas reagent to give compound B, C10H13Cl. The compound B is. So if you can see over here, we have Grignard reagent, and we know the formula or the general form of Grignard reagent as RMGBr. It is a compound where we have alkyl group, a magnesium atom and a bromine atom in this case. So this is the Grignard reagent, and when this reacts with a benzene and a carbonyl group, as if you can see, the structure of C8H8O is something like this. We have a benzene ring. Let's say we have a branch, and this branch has a double bonded O to it, and CH3 in this case. If you look at the number of atoms in this and compare it with this, you will find it to be correct. So this is the structure of C8H8O, and when this reacts with the Grignard reagent, we know Grignard reagent will form alkyl group anion and Mg cation. In this case, we have an anion for the alkyl, so the alkyl group attacks the double bonded oxygen atom to give us, I'll just write the intermediate product over here. This is what it will give. And also we have hydrolysis, which means we have H plus in the solution. So what happens is we have the alkyl group attached to this part over here and OH over here. And if we look at Lucas reagent is HCl plus ZnI2. If you can see over here, this is Lucas reagent. So when we get this product over here, we react it with Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is a solvent with HCl as the reagent in that case, and ZnI2 as a solvent. So HCl will dissociate to form H plus and Cl minus, and Cl minus will replace OH over here to give Cl in this case, and this is the final product. That is option D. Thank you.